everyone, of me is OPPO Find X3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Firstly, just go into Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, just select one of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current login method. Then hit Edit button and change wherever you wish to. When you're ready, tap on Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully edited. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!